How to solve limited access in Discord. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to solve limited access in Discord. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Discord support. Now click on the first link that appears. In the search bar on the Discord support page, type limited access and click on the relevant article. Here, you will see detailed information. Look for the option labeled here to submit a ticket and click on it. Next, in the Submit a Request form, choose What can they help you with from the drop-down menu. Then, enter your email address in the appropriate field. Now select the relevant options and in the subject field, type Limited Access. In the description box, write a short message like Limited Access Issue. Finally, click on Submit to send your request. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.